Alright, good week everyone. Good morning. Happy May the 4th, and May the 4th be with you, huh? Alright, so today we're going to be building a computer using everyday household objects. You can do this here at home. I've got my buddy here to help me out with filming, Dan. Dan owes me from last week when I helped him out with his video. And he's going to be carrying that around. So we'll try and make it pretty quick, but we'll make sure to fill in all the steps. So, let's get started. Let's go over the project table. So, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have all the parts you're going to be using. Let's take a look at that now. Alright, so let's go over some of the parts we'll be using. Computer, battery, screwdriver, computer, tape, computer. Alright, so now that we've got the parts all sorted out, let's just get to work. Dan, it's not going in.
No, that's where it goes.
It won't fit.
No, it's where it goes. Don't be a bitch.
Jesus! One of the first things most people should do is use one of these to measure the parts and make sure that they fit together. I don't need to do that. I'm a professional at things. Sometimes you gotta use the old tape to get it working. The trick with computers is that they need air, just like you or me. Living, breathing machines. Dan, where's the scissors?
I don't know.
Dan, this is your drawer.
Damn scissors, man.
Is it a tampon?
No, it's vodka.
So, now let's move on to some other parts. Batteries. Batteries are important. Now, batteries like this seem thin and from the future, so you might be tempted to use them. But, we all know from the commercials, Duracell is the batteries the paramedics use, and if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for me. If you don't know where the batteries go, the key to finding out is to guess. I find most people have pretty good intuition, and usually when I have a problem like this, I'll ask a woman. Dan broke up with his girlfriend last week, so we don't have one. Dan, I know why she left you.
Fuck you.
Do this 1 week before filming, so Dan and I got into a bit of a spat there. That's not something you want to do when you're building your computer. So I'm sorry, Dan. I'm sure you're sorry too. Batteries. Batteries are important, but you want to be careful. Batteries contain electricity. Now, for all you kids at home, electricity is not good for you. Don't touch it. This here came from a calculator. A lot of people don't know, but math is hard. This is a very important thing. And once it goes in your computer, it'll be there forever. Go ahead and slide that in. Alright, so next you want to get the tape again. You have to tape more things up in there. Oh, don't forget to put in your spare computer parts. Oh, I almost forgot. The key to having a fast processor is buying one. But if you don't, you can always make your own. Microsoft makes good ones, right? Microsoft. Good, perfect. Uh-oh. So now we got our fast processors. Processor's kind of like a computer's lungs. Uh-oh. Sometimes parts will fall out. That's prone to happen. What I like to do is stick it to the tape first. That way it'll make it a little more secure. Oh. Don't want to forget your iPod for your music. Damn you. I should have gone to college. Come back to Kentucky.
You okay, buddy?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Dude, what the hell?
Oh no, I was just
No, I told you. Get
just
out.
water.
So, took some time, but we finally did it. Got a brand new computer right here, and if you follow the steps, you can have one too. So y'all have a wonderful month of May, and we'll see you next time. Stop filming.
Remind them to subscribe.
I'm not saying that.
Say you guys.
Hey guys.
Fuck you. Hi. My name is Dan. We're gonna do just a short 10, maybe 15 hours on the beautiful art of folding paper airplanes. So if you just bear with me and my cameraman Mary, we're gonna be okay. To start, I think I want to show you the classic Patelli fold. So you start with your classic 8.5 by 11 egg white or cream paper, and then you want to just fold it in a diagonal created sort of in this fashion. This is Patelli in 1929 pioneered this technique. He was a 5th grader in New Brunswick, and he showed us that if you just fold in half, you can just sight it. And if you just, well, I'm just gonna do it here now. Just fuck. Fuck. Yeah, okay.
Dan, this is stupid.
No, fuck you. All right, we're doing this. All right.
No, Dan, I'm
No,
done.
fuck.
No, you gotta help me
Fuck.
next week still.
No.
No, we're done.
Show it.
I don't care.